you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to verify your account on Scalable Capital. And we just created an account right here and now we want to verify your account. So that is exactly what we're going to do in this video. So let's start right here with clicking on Start Now, and then we need to tell them something about ourselves. So what you're going to do right here is you fill in this information real quick, and please make sure that you do it correctly. So take your time and then fill this one in. Then they need our registered address. So make sure that you fill this one in. Then they want us financial profile. So we fill that in correctly. And then we do continue. Then right now they need our tax ID. So we fill that in real quick. And then they want your IBAN. So we fill that in real quick too. And then I need to blur this one because now we are having here an overview from all our data. So now we can click right here and confirm details. Then we do agree. And now they want us to set up our two-factor authentication. So this is now what we're going to do is we link a mobile account right here. So we scan this QR code right here because they want us to download the application. So we will do this real quick right now. Now we need to log in on our phone. So fill in right there your email address and your password. Then we get the notification protect your account. So make sure that you click there on continue. They do start. Then they send again an email to our email address 42FA. And then you fill in right here the activation code. I won't show you that because that is not what I want to show, because then you can do my verification on my account. So fill in right here a 8-digit code. And right now we are having a nice verification. They tell us that they sent an SMS to our phone number to double verify it. And now he's linking with our device. So you see right here, verify to log in. And this means that we are verified, I think. So what I'm going to do right now is verify to log in. Then we accept right here. I confirm that the backup code is stored. Then we do confirm. There we go. Then we do approve. We can use our Face ID if you want to do that. But right now the login approved. So right now we are here in the broker and now our account is almost verified. The only thing that we need to do is verify your identity and then they will open or an account. So this is the last step what you need to do right here in Scalable Capital, and then after that you can use it. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.